grinding your own meat can completely change the way you cook. Better burgers, fresher sausages, and full control over what goes into your food. But not every meat grinder is worth your counter space. I checked out 5 of the best options for home use, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. And remember, I've put links to all of these meat grinders in the description below, so you can check their latest deals and availability on Amazon. Starting off at number 5, we have the LHS Manual Meat Grinder. This one is all about simplicity. No electricity, no complicated controls, and no extra attachments that you'll never use. You clamp it onto your countertop, feed in small pieces of meat, and turn the handle. The stainless steel blades are sturdy, and I like that it's compact enough to store in a drawer when you're done. It's also handy for grinding vegetables and making small batches of ground meat. The downside is pretty obvious. Since it's manually operated, you're doing all the work yourself. If you're preparing meat for a large family gathering or meal prepping for the week, your arm is going to feel it. Still, for occasional use and smaller portions, it's a practical entry-level option. At number 4, we have the Cuisinart MG100 Electric Meat Grinder. This grinder is a nice step up because it brings the convenience of electric operation. It has a clean stainless steel design and is easy to use even if you've never owned a meat grinder before. I also like that it includes multiple cutting plates, giving you different textures depending on what you're making. Burgers, meatballs, or chili meat all come out with a consistent grind. It's compact and doesn't take over your kitchen counter, which is a big plus for many home users. Where it falls short is heavy-duty grinding. If you're processing large quantities regularly, it can feel a bit limited compared to the higher-ranked models on this list. For casual home cooks, though, it gets the job done very well. Coming in at number 3 is the STX International Turboforce 3000 Series Electric Meat Grinder. This thing is built for people who enjoy making their own sausages, burgers, and specialty blends at home. It has impressive grinding capability and comes with plenty of accessories. The multiple grinding plates and sausage stuffing attachments give you a lot of flexibility. I also like that it has a reverse function which can help clear jams without stopping the entire process. This grinder strikes a nice balance between power and versatility. It's capable enough for serious home cooks without feeling overly industrial. The only reason it doesn't climb higher is that it has more parts and accessories than some people need, which can make cleanup and storage a little more involved. Still, if you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, it's a fantastic choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the Weston Electric Meat Grinder. This machine feels like a serious piece of equipment. The metal construction gives it a durable, dependable feel, and it's designed to handle regular use with confidence. I really like its straightforward design. You don't need to learn complicated settings. Feed in the meat, let the grinder do its work, and it produces a consistent grind with impressive efficiency. It's an excellent option for hunters, home sausage makers, and families who process larger amounts of meat throughout the year. The only thing keeping it from first place is that there is one grinder on this list that delivers an even better overall user experience. And taking the top spot is the LEM Products BigBite Electric Meat Grinder. This grinder has earned a reputation for being one of the best home meat grinders available, and it's easy to see why. The BigBite technology feeds meat smoothly and efficiently, reducing the need for constant pushing and making the entire grinding process feel effortless. It handles larger batches with confidence and maintains excellent consistency. The build quality is outstanding, and everything about it feels designed for long-term use. Whether you're grinding beef, pork, venison, or preparing homemade sausages, this machine delivers dependable results time after time. If you're serious about making your own ground meat at home and want a machine that can grow with your cooking ambitions, this is the one I'd pick. That brings us to the end of our list. Check the description box below for links to all 5 meat grinders and their latest deals on Amazon. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me what you'd make first with your new meat grinder. Burgers, sausages, or something completely different. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.